I want to go over two simple ways to solve this problem. It's one of these things where you have a bunch of people on an airplane and you've got passengers who are seated in economy, first class, and business. So you have three different buckets that you're putting these people in. And if you think about 420 as your total number, right, I'm sending 1/3 of these people into economy. Well, how many people is that? What you do to calculate this is you say 420 times 1/3. Okay, so that's going to give us, let's see, calculator, just don't want to make a mistake here. It's going to give us 140 people in economy. And then you also have 1/5 of the passengers in first class. So what that means is 420 times 1/5. Okay, and there you've got, I think, 84 people. Is that what I figured out here? Yeah, 84 people in first class. So the question is, how many passengers are seated in business? Well, that's all the rest of them. Okay, so this one's easy. You just say 420 minus the people in economy minus the people in business. Okay, so what do we have here? We get 196 people seated in business. So that's one way you could do this, by actually calculating the number of people in each place. Another way you could do this, and this is really just a matter of personal preference, is you say the number of people in business is the number of people on the plane times the following. 1, that's the whole plane, minus the fraction seated in economy, minus the fraction seated in first class. And if you like fractions, this is a fine way to do it. You just say 420 times, well, I need common denominators, so it's going to be 15/15 minus 5/15 minus 3/15. Okay, and that's going to be 420 times, yada, 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 7/15 about. If you do that multiplication, you will once again get 196. So whichever way you like it, if you want to think about percentages or parts of a whole, you can go this method. If you'd rather just count up the people, this method up here works fine. It might actually be quicker.